actually
It's like they've sold enough that they can kind of you see these guys properly now. They get you out like new molds, and now they're all, especially now they're all competing. It's like there's Gatoron, Kyle, and Otemu coming out of Asia, and then there's Cherry. And like Cherry's still got this like it's got the brand name really. Brand name reputation.
I don't think it.
And but they're not actually.
That's so smart. I didn't think of that. It's not. I just don't feel like I'd ever actually need it to. That's the problem. Like, I can't use this keyboard without. Oh yeah, but I mean, I don't feel like I need the keys. I don't understand. I can't be on it on my keyboard.
It's got a lot of
If you buy them directly from like these ones, I think it's like $80 for 110 of them.
Oh really?
That's how much it was on their website. Which is almost the price of these, and I think these are nicer. These are 85 cents now, and probably cheaper in the market.
These like aftermarket's 200 through. Yeah. Probably 300 close up.
Yeah, I looked up.
That's a lot. Very nice skeleton. Oh, this is a transformer one as well. So bad that I want to keep
well, they will fill it up with, and it was only like $20. So with shipping, the 10Ks was $180. I think they've got it. We need to check.
What's your you have to. You're gonna have to. Let me know you read a hand on it.
The hardest part was the student identification system. The one where they go to government. That was the hardest part. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah. I helped. Yeah, that was one. If only like the website was like more than half the time, it would be so much better. It's still so much. Come on, the 50 was coming. Give me the speed and it's fucking fast. Yeah, so
I had a bunch of planes.
Yeah.
On the sculpting table, and people wanted them, they would take them.
Oh, okay.
Like, because if they sculpted and they wanted to keep their sculpt, they could just take them home, as long as they didn't block my tool. So.
That one's great. Wow.
That's why I write.
I was like, the cactus one's funny.
Well, like I say, I like to put these things down and show you I only saw like one, and then well, two-ish, like you got 16.
Rare boards. The keeps.
Make your own.
It's a calculator as well. It's a proper calculator.
Well, I spent $60. I got like 96 plus my free one.
Yeah, exactly. So you got 97.
It's a microcontroller development board. I just got I'm doing up, a friend and I are doing up some PCBs that use the same microcontroller that's on this. Just haven't gotten to that stage yet. Just because I did firmware from scratch for this. So I just need to firmware that.
How are you learning all the Alps on? You might be able to get, there was something I'll give you the SCL. I think the guy was selling them for $60. The only downside is
I actually don't know what's so different about it, but he said it was something to do with the etching, so it might not actually be that special. Just saying.
Okay, it's kind of black.
It's a wave.
Oh, and kind of like silver in the middle-ish, I suppose.
I don't know.
All right,
maybe
can we get
there's
some,
nothing special about it.
We'll get some lighting.
It's just
it
rum as
we're
well
all
as saying.
It's black with like silver in the etching, I think. That's probably what you're talking about. If you want someone to shine light on it to maybe see if it changes.
Does it have the rummer underside? Does it say rummer comps on the underneath?
It says lol note.
Yeah, it does. So it's a Wave S3, but not quite sure why it's so special.
We'll have to ask Rama.
Yeah, you'll have to ask rummer.
This is something he decided not to sell.
Yeah. He probably just forgot what was in it. It's like, oh, it must be special because I don't remember what was in it.
Okay, so there's